Your original hometown dealer, Saida, Trudeau Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram.
On June 14th yesterday, Senators Jackie Rosen and Deb Fischer introduced the Helping Emergency Responders Overcome Act, or the HERO Act, which is to help improve federal mental health support programs to be available to our nation's firefighters, law enforcement, and other emergency response personnel. First responders in Nevada have recently highlighted the need to increase mental health resources, including by declaring mental health a top priority. This bill would be able to help those first responders by being able to direct the Department of Health and Human Services to collect data on first responder suicides and help determine best practices for identifying and treating post-traumatic stress and combating suicide. This would also introduce and establish a federal grant initiative for peer-to-peer counseling programs to address firefighter and emergency medical services mental health challenges. Senator Jackie Rosen states, "Our nation's first responders are heroes who regularly put themselves in harm's way to save lives and protect communities, which can take an enormous toll on their mental health. We must take action to make sure our firefighters, law enforcement officers, and paramedics in Nevada have the mental health resources they need." Senator Fischer states, "I'm pleased to co-lead the HERO Act because our firefighters and first responders deserve our full support." She continues stating, "These brave men and women put their lives on the line every day to keep us safe, often at the expense of their own physical and mental health." Edward Kelly, who is the general president of the International Association of Firefighters, chimes in as well, stating, "Every day, firefighters and rescue workers respond to some of the most dangerous and demanding emergencies imaginable. These responses take an enormous toll on firefighters' mental health and place them at risk for developing a variety of behavioral health conditions. We owe it to firefighters to ensure they have the resources to stay safe on the job."